Okay, here, boo-boo. You can do it right here. This is from your grandma, from your mama and your papa in West Virginia. I know it's killing you to see it. Go ahead and open it. Here, Mommy, record and I'll get a knife and open it.
What do you think it is, boo-boo?
What's in there?
A robot.
A robot.
Let's see.
Let's see what it is.
Alright.
Come over here.
Open it up. Right there.
Whoa! Another Batman-mobile!
What's the other one? That looks like a Joker's motorcycle.
This is a Joker motorcycle and this is a Batman-mobile.
Oh man, that's awesome. Tell Grandma, tell Mama and Papa thank you. Look at the camera and tell them thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, don't do that. Daddy will open it for you.
They're cool. I have two now, huh? Santa Claus, put that one in there, huh?
That's not from Santa Claus. That's from your mama and papa.
I got another one now.
No, that's
I don't know.
the one that was in there. That was Christian.
That's how it's fun. Twitch doesn't want that one no more, huh?
I don't know.
He don't want it no more.
Those are your toys, boo-boo, right there. They're from mama and papa. They're your gifts.
Yeah, they took away cause Twitch didn't want it no more.
No.
Oh, buddy.
No, honey. They weren't Tristan's at all.
Those are yours. Mama and Papa bought those for you, not Tristan.
Do you like them?
They're cool. I got another one, dude. This is the Simpson one. I got another one.
I don't know. You tell mama and papa thank you and you love them.
Thank you. I love you. Well, check this out.
If what you want most this holiday is to get everyone what they want most, if you think the most memorable gifts are the memories that last a lifetime,
Mommy,
that the joy of
Daddy,
giving is almost as
what
great.
these for? What these new spirit things
There's
for?
no better place to do your
What?
holiday
These
shopping
for?
than at Kohl's.
Let me see.
Kohl's. Expect great
It's
things.
so cool. This is so